Hey, what's up everyone? My name is John Armstrong. I'd like to welcome you to the launch party of Reddify.ai. Now, in this video, we've got a few things to cover. Mainly, we're going to be revealing our brand new legendary breakthrough Reddify AI app, which is going to siphon free, targeted, intent, warm leads from Reddit to wherever you want this to go. And this is really the lifeblood of any business. So if you're into affiliate marketing, obviously you need a product to sell that's somebody else's because you're an affiliate for it, but you need good quality traffic. And that's where Reddify AI comes in. You could get good quality traffic from paid ads, but the problem with paid ads, as we'll talk about in just a second, is the prices are getting a lot higher, and the CPLs, the CPAs, and all the metrics are getting a lot more expensive as well. With Reddify AI, it's the same quality, good quality, intent traffic, intent being the main word here, because the difference between Reddit and these other platforms is people that go to Reddit, they're actively looking for solutions to a problem, which means they have intent behind it. And if you come in there with your solution, be it your own product, an affiliate product, or you're an offline business, whatever it is, if you have a solution to their problem, they are ready to get in touch with you about your solution. That's the difference between regular traffic, free traffic that you might get from places like Instagram or Facebook, which is not necessarily intent traffic, and pure, warm intent traffic that you can get from Reddit. Okay, so if you are an affiliate marketer, you can definitely use this good quality free traffic. If you are an Amazon affiliate, excuse me, I've got a bit of a cold, you can also use this good quality free traffic to send to different Amazon products that would provide a solution to people's problems too. If you're a local business and you're looking for more customers to come to your local business, if you're a plumber, you're a roofer, you're a landscaper, whatever it might be, then this is going to help you out as well. If you're a lawyer, chiropractor, whatever it is, this quality intent traffic is going to help out your business as well. If you sell a service, okay, if you offer services, obviously that's the solution that people on Reddit are going to be looking for as well. So if you're trying to get free traffic from Google, it is constantly changing, constantly updating. You might do well this month if you try and rank your websites using backlinks, using articles, blogging. That might work. It might get you to the first page of Google, but then next month they'll introduce a new update in Google and you'll be back on page 6 or page 7 and nobody will ever see it. Now, the good thing about Reddit is Google has started pushing Reddit content. Google has recently changed direction in their algorithm, and what they're doing now is they're ranking user-driven content, which is what Reddit's all about, okay? It's all user-driven content. And because of that, a lot of, if you type in the number 3 website in the US right now, okay, so if you were to go and do this manually, that would be bit of a mission. And that's why not many people are, not many business owners, not many entrepreneurs are really utilizing Reddit the way that they could be, because in order to do it without Reddify AI, you would have to go and create a post manually. You'd have to go and search through all of these Reddits and all of these subreddits to go and look for specific problems that people have so that you can go and basically, at the beginning of this video, we talked about how traffic is the lifeblood of any business, be it an affiliate marketer, be it an Amazon affiliate, a local business, a service, somebody who's selling a service. And that's how Reddify can help you out, because if you want to promote affiliate offers, specifically high-ticket offers, and that's generally what I focus my time on these days myself, because I come from the background of promoting low-ticket offers, and I still do now and again, but I've realized that it takes the same amount of effort to sell a $17 product as it does to sell a $1,700 product, right? So I'd rather spend my time promoting $1,700 products rather than spending my time promoting $17 deal that we have exclusively for you guys watching this video right now. And yes, I'm going to be giving you a massive discount as well. So the bundle deal includes a complete automated traffic plus sales system with no limits. You saw on the front end, you're limited by the amount of credits that you have. You have max viral templates and the leads finder. You've got agency compatibility. You have high ticket commissions. You have 100% reseller rights, and you also get priority support. So included in the bundle, you're getting Reddify AI Unlimited. You're getting Reddify AI Max. You're getting Reddify AI Agency, and you're also getting Reddify AI Reseller. Now, as you can see here, Reddify AI Unlimited is worth $67. Reddify AI Max is selling for $97. Reddify AI Agency is $97. Reddify AI Reseller is also $97. Combined, that's $395. But for you guys on the call right now, I'm going to give you this discount code, okay? It's just Reddify, okay? Very difficult to guess, I know. But the discount code is Reddify, and that's going to give you a $50 discount on this Infinity bundle. So it'll take the price down from $395 down to just $317 instead, okay? And you're getting all of these upgrades at one low price, okay? That is pretty awesome. Now, included in this Infinity bundle, we're also going to give you access to bonus software that is worth over $1,000. This is going to include Nano Banana Image Generator plus Editor. Okay, you're also going to get BioLink SaaS. You're also going to get SMM Matrix, and you're also going to get Ultimate SMS, and you're also going to get Multi SaaS. Now, let me explain what these things do one by one. Okay, so, and by the way, all of these will be delivered inside of the members area. So you can go and find them as soon as you've logged into Reddify AI. So you're going to get BioLink SaaS, which is a biolinks and URL shortener. It is valued at $297. That's this one here. Okay, what it basically does is it allows you to put your own link in bio platform to sell or give away as a lead magnet. Perfect for promoting on Reddit using Reddify AI. You also get white label rights included. You can rebrand it. You can sell subscriptions, or you can use it to capture leads. So basically, you know, on Instagram or even on Reddit, if your call to action is click on the link in the bio, what you can do then is use this link shortener to put your affiliate link in the bio of your Reddit, but it actually shortens the link. Okay, it's different from Bitly, it's different from any of those ones. It's a custom-made one, so it's not going to get flagged by Reddit or Instagram or TikTok. So it's a custom URL shortener. It's worth $297. You're getting it completely for free. Okay, the next bonus is the SMM Matrix Social Media Management Suite. This is also valued at $297, and this is a complete social media management tool that you can resell or offer as a lead magnet. It's high demand in business and marketing subreddits. You can use Reddify AI to drive traffic, capture leads, and bid for instant profit. 3. This is a bulk SMS marketing platform, again, valued at $297. And it basically allows you to own your own SMS marketing platform with white label rights. So you can sell it to a local business, or you can sell it to agencies or marketers, or you can give it away to build your email list. Okay, this again is going to be delivered inside of the members area of Reddify AI. You're also going to get multi SaaS, this bonus right here. And this is a multi-tenant website builder valued at, again, $297, a full website builder platform that you can rebrand and sell. Perfect for targeting freelancers, agencies, and indie hackers on Reddit. You can use Reddify.ai to generate leads and then convert them using this magnet. You have whatever you want with that. So combined, these special bonuses that are in the video right now have a combined value of over $1,000. So it's another reason to pick up Reddify.ai yourself for your own entrepreneurial business or your own affiliate marketing business. I hope you crush it like we have been doing using Reddify.ai, getting a ton of free, good quality, intent traffic to our high ticket offers and making a bunch of money. So the cart is now live. Go ahead, click down below, use that coupon, and we will see you inside the members area. Thank you so much for joining this launch party and seeing what we have for you.